Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dexcheck token. Now this token is live today on a central exchange, a brand new listing on a very big central exchange with over 6 million users. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So this token is being listed today. Ticker symbol is DCK on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DCK, and then simply just buy the token. Now, the token is available exactly today, July 20th at 12 o'clock UTC time. So Dexcheck is revolutionizing crypto trading through its unique AI-boosted analytics platform. It offers real-time insights into crypto and NFT markets, making blockchain analysis intuitive and accessible even for beginners. By tracking smart money flows and integrating social intelligence, Dexcheck equips traders with advanced, easy-to-understand tools for strategic decision-making. Now, there's a total supply here of 1 billion DCK tokens. This is on the Binance Smart Chain. So, I'm making this video before its listing here, and it says on their BSC scan that they only have 26 holders so far. So, this looks like the Mexc Global is going to be its initial listing here for this token. So it'll be, first dibs today for anybody who's interested in this token here. 18 decimal places on this token as well. They have a Twitter at Dexcheck_IO. They have 209,200 followers on Twitter. So they're doing very well. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find that. 1,845 tweets. They have the blue check mark on there. And yeah, today they're getting a whole bunch of central exchange listings. Actually, PancakeSwap, where Binance Smart Chain tokens go, the decentralized exchange, actually happens 10 minutes after it gets listed on Mexc Global, because it says 12:10 UTC time. So it becomes available usually it's the other way around. Tokens start on decentralized exchanges, not all the time, but for the most part, and then move over to centralized exchanges afterwards. So this token's the opposite. They also have a Telegram that you could find at Dexcheck, and they have 47,283 Telegram members. So they're doing very well. If you want to find all the information on this token, just go over to their Git book, which is like a document white paper, and they have the webpage is dexcheck.gitbook.io/white paper. So it says, unlock the power of advanced analytics for crypto and the NFT market, intelligence tools, and AI-enhanced insights. So as the digital asset landscape continues to evolve, the realms of decentralized finance, cryptocurrencies, and non-fungible tokens are attracting seasoned investors and novice traders alike. In response to the growing demand for sophisticated yet user-friendly tools, Dexcheck emerges as the go-to platform that seamlessly integrates advanced analytics and cutting-edge AI-driven features with an intuitive interface, making complex insights accessible to everyone. Dexcheck is designed to cater to a diverse audience, from experienced investors to first-time traders, by providing comprehensive analytics, marketing data, and trend forecasts across decentralized exchanges, cryptocurrencies, and NFT marketplaces. By leveraging custom-built in-house APIs and proprietary algorithms, our platform offers advanced features that adopt and evolve with the ever-changing digital asset landscape without the limitations, downtime, or inaccuracies often associated with third-party providers. This unique combination of state-of-the-art technology and user-friendly design ensures that Dexcheck caters to a wide range of users, democratizing access to crucial information in the crypto and NFT domains. So, some of the features here of Dexcheck, they have the checkboard. They have, we'll just go over each one here. So Dexcheck has a wide variety of features. First one is the checkboard. Access a comprehensive dashboard that displays an overview of the digital asset market, including key metrics, trends, and real-time data on cryptocurrencies, DEXs, and NFTs. They also have the token analytics and charts. So dive deep into token-specific data with advanced analytics, interactive charts helping you make more informed decisions about your investments. They have the Crypto Whales Tracker. Monitor the activities of major crypto investors and funds, providing insights into their transactions, holdings, and strategies. NFT Whale Trackers. Keep an eye on the top players in the NFT market, tracking their purchases, sales, and collections to identify trends and opportunities. Top Crypto Traders Pro. So discover the most successful crypto traders, learning from their strategies and performance to improve your own trading skills. Top NFT Traders. Uncover the leading NFT traders in the market, gaining insights into their methods and achievements to enhance your understanding of the NFT landscape. Smart Money Leaderboard. So explore our token analytics page featuring a Smart Money Leaderboard of top performing traders. Gain insights from their trading history and refine your own buying-selling strategies following the best players. Insights GPT. That's an AI-powered DEX tracker that delivers valuable real-time insights to investors by analyzing smart money wallets and DEX's transactions. They have tons of utilities here. So they also have the address analyzer, effortlessly examine the most captivating wallets in the crypto space. They have the NFT board, which is a dashboard for NFT market data, including sales history, rarity analysis, and ownership trends. Token Unlocks dashboard, so unlocks investing events, allowing you to anticipate potential market movements and plan your investment strategy. The news aggregator, keep up with the latest news and developments of digital assets. New pairs, so tracking new pairs on DEXs, enabling you to identify potential investment opportunities early on. Multi-charts, so allowing you to compare their performance and trends and make data-driven decisions. Check out the gainers and losers and the IDO calendar for initial DEX offerings. So those are all the features of this project here. And the token utility can be used to unlock Pro, using the Pro features for all those utilities I just named. Also voting rights, so it gives you DAO governance rights, staking, and private sale access. Now there's a full roadmap that talks about when all of those utilities are going to come out in what order. They also have a $15,000 Dexcheck airdrop campaign that ends August 14th, so check that out as well. Tons of cool stuff. Check it all out at dexcheck.gitbook.io, and you can find this token newly listed today on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code down there if you don't have an account. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto, and thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.